Do you think your brain also goes to sleep when you sleep? Absolutely not. The moment you drift into deep sleep, your brain switches to night shift and turns on deep cleaning mode. Science calls this the glymphatic system, a network of glial cells that pumps cerebrospinal fluid through your entire brain and washes out the metabolic waste you build up all day from thinking, stress, and scrolling, like beta-amyloid and tau proteins. And this system is most active during sleep, and when this process is disrupted, the risk of cognitive dysfunction goes up. Now here is the deep part. When you hit NREM Stage 3 deep sleep, noradrenaline drops, the AQP4 water channels on your astrocytes open, your brain cells shrink, and the interstitial space between them expands by about 60%. That extra space lets CSF flood in like a power wash and flush toxins out into blood and lymph. That is why after just one bad night you feel foggy, irritable, and forgetful, because the trash never got cleared. And with chronic sleep loss, that same beta-amyloid keeps building and becomes the foundation for long-term memory decline. So if you want to hack deep sleep, do 3 science-backed things starting tonight. First, kill blue light and heavy meals. 90 minutes before bed so melatonin can rise naturally. Second, keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. And try sleeping on your side because studies show side sleeping improves glymphatic flow. Third, sleep and wake at the same time every single day, even on weekends, because your brain does not run on alarms. It runs on your circadian clock. I am Zenvi Health, and here we break down real body and brain science into simple language. If you want my full 7-day deep sleep protocol based on this, comment deep sleep below, save this video, send it to that friend who says 4 hours is enough, and follow Zenvi Health because good sleep is not a luxury, it is your brain servicing.